Good morning, kids! Today, we're going to practice reading. Great! So, let us begin. To start, let us remember or practice our vowels. Okay, as you can see, we are doing this one for a couple of weeks already. So, if you still remember, can you say the sound of the vowels? Okay. A, a, e, o, u. Can you say it one more time? A, e, o, u. Very good. Now let us start. Okay, look at the pictures and the words. Let us read. Ready, kids? Okay, please listen and repeat after me. Ready? A tin can. A tin can. A tin can. This is a can. A tin can. A tin can. Very good. Next, cats and dogs. Cats and dogs. These are cats. And these are dogs. Cats and dogs. Now, can you read it one more time from the beginning? Great. Repeat after me. A tin can. A tin can. It's your turn. Very good, kids. Next, cats and dogs. Cats and dogs. It's your turn. Good job. Next, we have a red rug. A red rug. This is a rug, and it is red. A red rug. A red rug. Next, get to the top. Get to the top. Very good. Now, this is the top of the mountain. Get to the top. Now let us read one more time. A red rug. A red rug. It's your turn. Good job. Next, get to the top. Get to the top. It's your turn. Okay, very good, kids. Now, let us read it from the beginning. Are you ready? Okay, one more time. A tin can. Cats and dogs. A red rug. Get to the top. Very good. Socks on a mat. Socks. These are socks. And this is mat. Socks mat. Socks on a mat. Socks on a mat. Very good. One more time. Socks on a mat. Great. Next we have a cap on a peg. A cap on a peg. This is a cap. Cap. And this is a peg. A cap on a peg. A cap on a peg. Okay, now kids, it's your turn. Repeat after me. From the beginning. Socks on a mat. Socks on a mat. Now it's your turn. Good job. Next, a cap on a peg. A cap on a peg. Now it's your turn. Very good, kids. Now let us read and match. Read and match. First, let us read. A red rug. A red rug. Where is the red rug? Okay, next let us read. Socks on a mat. Socks on a mat. Last one, let us read. A tin can. A tin can. Okay, let us match. First, where is a tin can? Where is a tin can? Okay, very good. A tin can. Next, where is a red rug? A red rug. Great. And the last one, socks on a mat. Where is it? Socks on a mat. Okay, great job, kids. Now, can you read it by yourself? Can you read it? Okay. Are you ready? Try to read. 1, 2, 3, go. Great. Next. One more time. Good job. The last one. Again. Great job, kids. Nice reading. See you again next time. Bye-bye.